Hey guys, welcome to the Forex market analysis session, and in today's video I will scan the market with MPS5 pattern recognition software to find unified Gartleys and cipher patterns. If you're new to MPS5 pattern recognition software, it is the software that I created, that I coded myself, and what's unique about this is that it uses different swing identification algorithms, including the manual one. All the algorithms are predefined in settings. You can fine-tune your own algorithm, and using this wonderful user interface, you simply switch between them to analyze the market from different perspectives, to find only obvious patterns and not to get the opportunity when you are the only one who sees that pattern and nobody else is seeing that. Okay. Another thing is that the software covers the broadest scope of patterns ever. Not only it is looking for harmonic patterns, it can scan the market to find advanced patterns and also custom patterns that you set yourselves. Okay, so to find harmonic patterns, you switch to harmonic and enable the patterns you are interested in. To find advanced patterns, you switch to advanced and enable the patterns that you are interested in as well. And here in that advanced pattern section, you have that custom pattern that looks this way. So the unified Gartley that is black is a custom pattern. It is the pattern that I created myself, and I didn't add it to classic patterns. I simply run it under the custom tab. Okay, so let us start. Euro dollar 15 minutes, and what we have. By the way, MPS5 also shows you the time that is left till candle close. It shows you the ATR period 5000. This is the 3 ATR period 5000. This is 2 ATR period 5000, and this is 1 ATR period 5000. I'm using this number a lot in my trading. And also we have some additional functions in MPS5. We can also draw the net of ATRs. For example, if I wish to place my stop loss above this high 2 ATRs, I simply press Z on my keyboard and I have the ATR net. So this is 2 ATR, 1 ATR, 2 ATR, 3 ATR above, and 1 ATR, 2 ATR, 3 ATR below. So there are also additional functions with MPS5. If you want to get more information of all the functions available, simply go to www.ps-software.net and watch the demonstration videos. There are much more explanation there. You can find the link in description. Okay, let's start doing the analysis. So 15 minutes will have nothing, 30 minutes nothing, and 1 hour nothing. So what I'm looking at is the potential pattern that is just completed or is about to complete. I'm not interested in the patterns that already worked. That's why I only look at this empty space of the chart. Okay, dollar yen 15 minute nothing, 30 minute nothing, and 1 hour nothing. Okay, going back. I split my portfolio into 3 groups. I call them 15 minute, 30 minute, and 1 hour. The 15 minute group is the one that has average movement, average candle range pretty large if compared to the spread. The spread is the commission that we pay to our brokers, and because of that commission, it may be profitable for us to have small target or small profit, or not profitable. That's why sometimes it is useless to trade some pairs, minor pairs, on 5-minute time frames, because you will pay very much commission and you will get a very small profit. So I grouped them according to this reasonable factor. So the 15-minute group is the something that is traded not less than 15 minutes. Okay, so what we have, Euro Yen. I place an alert, simply right click on that, trading, go to alert, and when price reaches my completion level, I am notified. Only after I'm notified, I will open my chart, open this chart. and we'll look to execute this pattern. Okay, 30 minute, 15 minute. We also have it this way. No, the bullish one is invalidated because we already turned to the upside, so we have at least 2 swings, and if we turn to the downside one more time, it will be a broken CTD leg. And the same stuff with the bearish one. We don't have valid patterns because we already have several swings within that pattern. Okay, let me switch to 1 hour, and now the bearish looks valid for now on 1 hour time frame, not on 30 minute. On 30 minute it is invalid. That's all according to my rules. This is my pattern. I created that, I backtested that, I have my own rules for identification, trade execution and trade management. So if you are not agree with my rules, well, it changes nothing. Okay, nothing here. Pound yen, broken CTD leg. So I want this movement to be straight, but it is not. Obviously we already have 1, 2, 3 movements. And let's go to pound yen 30 minute. So what we have here is this bull Gartley, unified Gartley. Oh, now you see this here, this sound. It is sound saying that we about to finish our 15-minute candle, that the new candle is 10 seconds left till the new candle appears. Okay, this is my other indicator, and that is called a high low indicator. Oh, this was New Zealand dollar 15, oh sorry, dollar Canadian 30 minute. I suppose we already missed this trade, but who knows, let us examine it. And to examine this trade we need to apply our entry techniques. Okay, so what is my entry technique? So what we need to do is to wait for initial thrust. The initial thrust should be a zigzagging movement. Let me show you what I mean by zigzagging movement. It means that it should move to the upside. If we do the candle to candle analysis, should move to the upside, to the downside, to the upside, to the downside. So it should install a minor uptrend. And after that I am looking at a 50% pullback. So this next candle hit the 50% pullback and the trade was executed here. So this is the entry for this trade after this minor uptrend. So this was the touch and go situation. Even if we didn't hit that, the thrust continues to the upside and this candle hit the 50. So either this or that situation is valid in this case. Okay, so what we have right now is that price bounced from that level and starts the movement higher and higher and higher. It is already late to enter that. Plot the trend line, and it should respect that trend line, and plot the, when it hits the 382, you should plot the accelerated trend line to find the exit. Okay, right now it is already late, and I was late just how many? Well, I was sleeping. It is not something that I missed. I was simply sleeping at this time. Okay, dollar Canadian 30 minute, and let me check 1 hour. Nothing is there. 15 minute is nothing. New Zealand dollar 30 minute. It is something that we took yesterday, and I was trading this initial movement, but then I closed my position when price came to break even, and I was looking at the re-entry technique, but I was so busy that I simply missed that re-entry and I never re-entered. Okay, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute. I have it posted on my TradingView profile page, so you can watch that idea, and you can watch the screenshots, updates of that idea as the trade progressed. I explained every my step. Nothing on 15 minutes except what, euro yen, I suppose euro yen, yes. Let's go to 30 minutes. So this group has pairs that should be traded not less than 30 minutes. Let us first examine pound OC 30 minutes and 1 hour, only 2 time frames here. Euro GBP, so we examine 30 minutes and 1 hour. We have this pattern completed. We had that initial thrust to the upside. It was my yesterday trade. Then we came back to break even, and then we didn't continue higher. So what I suppose that price is not going to move higher. I suppose it this way. Let me examine the candles. Large wicks. What is the lowest close? So this is the lowest close in this current movement, and you see we still stay within the frame of this pattern. We still stay within the range of the within the zone of that unified Gartlian. The pattern stays valid until this zone is penetrated to the downside. So what we can do is to measure this. I traded that on Monday. It was not yesterday, it was Monday 13, yes, and today is 15th. So it is moving sideways. It gave initial movements, some small movements with small profits. Okay, so what is this? We first moved to the upside and then we retraced. You simply need to measure the retracement. It should be at least 50%. If it is 50%, you just enter. Price is right at 50%. And instead of bouncing high and high, it moves sideways. So I would stay away from that. This is not the trading opportunity that I want to be in. Another pattern, Euro OC. The pattern is not yet complete, so we simply place an alert here. Go into 1 hour, nothing is there. OC yen, it is the pattern that just completed, and well, it seems to me I missed that pattern as well. The initial thrust of 2 candles was this one. We had 50% retracement, and it was hit by this red candle and price bounced to the upside. So what we have right now is this movement, and it should hit 618 of this movement. Okay, if it reaches 618, then it's okay. If it breaks the trend lines, then you need to exit that and wait for a re-entry lower than this low. So right now, if it closes back below, no actions should be taken. That's why I don't place any limit orders in hopes that price will retest that zone, because obviously it will need to break that trend line to the upside to trigger my entry. I will look at if it goes lower. If it goes lower here below the zero line. Okay, so what I would do, I would place a limit, not a limit, an alert here and another alert here. So if the upside alert works, then the pattern already hit targets and there is no re-entry to that. And if the downside alert hits, then the pattern is still tradable. Okay, so what's on 1 hour? Nothing is there. Very good opportunity. You can also watch it what happens on hourly and daily. So you see that we're sitting at a good resistance level. It was resistance, support, resistance, and support. Pretty wide on daily. but we have what we have. Okay, Euro Canadian 1 hour 30 minute nothing. GBP Canadian, the cipher is invalidated, 30 minute. Okay, what was that? It was Monday trade. Oh yeah, I remember that Monday trade. We had some profits on this one as well. Then let's go next. New Zealand yen, 15 minute, 30 minute. Euro New Zealand, 30 minute, 1 hour. Sorry, not 15 minutes, 30 minute, 1 hour. And now let us switch to the last group that is only traded on 60 minutes. So simply switch between them and we have nothing there. Okay, that's it for today. No patterns yet, at least no completed patterns. Aussie yen already completed, dollar Canadian already completed. Both of them are moving towards targets, and it is a bit late to enter them. So if they retest the original entry, then we can re-enter them. So let me show you these charts. USD Canadian is this, and Aussie yen, it is somewhere, Aussie yen is somewhere here. So these are the two trading possibilities. If we retest the low of that, then we can enter. I would place an alert, and if we move lower, then the alert will be here, and I will place an alert here. Okay, both of them are 30-minute trades, 30-minute time frames, and it takes for a while for a candle to close. It takes 30 minutes to be precise, and well, it may take some time for patterns to complete, and it may complete in the end of my trading day, and this means that I will never take this trade in the end of my trading day, because I will not be able to properly manage these trades. I will not be able to watch if the candle breaks the trend line or whatever. That's why I don't take something in my second half of my trading day. I don't take any trades in the afternoon. Well, that's it. We are getting closer to afternoon. 3 hours left, so if we don't have any completion within 3 hours, this means I will not have any trades today. Okay, hope you like this video, hope you enjoy it. If so, give me your thumbs up, subscribe to my next episodes. I try to record them each and every day, discussing some different stuff, sometimes technical analysis, sometimes psychology of trading, sometimes money management and other trading related things. And comment below, and that's it. I hope to see you next time.